Your cleaning cabinet might be poisoning your family. These everyday products contain toxic chemicals that could be harming your health right now. Many popular cleaning products contain ammonia, chlorine, bleach, and phthalates, chemicals linked to respiratory problems, skin irritation, and even hormone disruption. And you're using them every day. Here are the worst offenders. Products with fragrance listed hide dozens of unlisted chemicals. Oven cleaners with lye can cause severe burns. Mixing bleach with ammonia creates deadly gases. And antibacterial soaps? They're creating resistant bacteria. The good news? Safe alternatives exist. Look for EPA Safer Choice certified products or use simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and Castile soap. Clean and safe. Worried about what's being used in your home? Our professionals only use certified safe, eco-friendly products that clean effectively without the toxic chemicals. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 2566-336-332 watts, www.bearbroscleaning.com.